Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both headsets and your phone. Make sure they are charged and powered on. Open the Cardo Connect app and check for firmware updates. Updating fixes pairing bugs, so install any available revisions now. Once updated, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the app open. This way you can manage connections cleanly and avoid interference. Do these first steps in a quiet area and make sure both units show as available in the app before moving to direct pairing. With firmware current and devices nearby, begin the intercom pairing process. Use the Cardo Connect app for guided pairing or access the headset pairing menu if you prefer manual control. Either method initiates a discoverable state. Keep both units within 1 to 2 meters and respond to confirmation prompts on each headset. This is important because you must accept the connection on both sides. Once the devices acknowledge each other, the app will confirm a successful link, and you can test audio briefly to verify. Finish by testing voice and audio levels. Have your partner speak while you monitor clarity, then adjust volume or equalizer in the app. If the connection fails, power cycle both headsets and your phone, turn off nearby Bluetooth devices, and repeat the pairing sequence. Interference is a common cause. Should problems persist, perform a factory reset on the problematic unit, reapply firmware updates, and attempt pairing again. This one troubleshooting tip: eliminate other Bluetooth sources first, often clears stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.